In this video, I'm sharing an easy chocolate buttermilk cupcake recipe, simply decorated with a dollop of fresh vanilla whipped cream and a fresh raspberry on top. Hi, it's Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes For You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. On a recent Florida family vacation, we celebrated my dad's 89th birthday. A simple cupcake recipe was in order, and here's how it goes. In a medium bowl, blend together the dry ingredients, which are 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of cocoa, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add the wet ingredients, which are 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of strong liquid coffee, 1/2 cup of oil, 2 eggs, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Beat the batter for 2 minutes at medium to high speed. This makes 24 cupcakes. Line your tins with paper liners and then fill each one 2/3 of the way, or about 1/4 cup of batter. Place them into a 325 to a 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes, or until they bounce back when you touch them. For the topping, I started out with 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/8 cup of sugar. However, I decided to do 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of sugar. You can get away with 1 cup. I did have extra, but I wanted to make sure I had enough, and you can also add more sugar or vanilla to taste. Each cupcake gets a dollop of whipped cream and a beautiful fresh raspberry. These cupcakes were baked in my sister-in-law Charmaine's kitchen, and I didn't have a pastry bag or fancy decorating tips to use. I worked with what I had, and I kept it really simple. Check out a few reviews from my family and friends.
Oh, delicious. I waited 2 days to get these.
Awesome.
Double thumbs up.
A double thumbs.
Amazing!
I would say the one word used to describe this would be luscious.
Perfect.
This delicious chocolate buttermilk cake is in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, step by step, and can be used for cakes or cupcakes. Like and subscribe if you like my videos, and share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.